unlocking the secrets of the fall makeup look. Hello, beautiful learners! Today, we're diving into a fascinating and colorful topic, the fall makeup look. This term often pops up in beauty magazines, makeup tutorials, and fashion blogs, especially when the leaves start changing colors. Let's unravel the meaning together and learn how this seasonal trend can transform your style. When we talk about the fall makeup look, we're referring to specific makeup styles and color palettes that resonate with the autumn season. Fall is a time of warm, rich colors like reds, oranges, and browns. These hues reflect the changing leaves and cozy atmosphere. In makeup, this translates to earthy tones, matte finishes, and a touch of sophistication. Subsection 2.1. Color palette. The color palette for a fall makeup look typically includes earthy tones. Think of the colors you'd see in an autumn forest. Deep greens, rich browns, and muted yellows. Warm undertones. Shades like burnt orange, burgundy, and warm taupe can add a cozy feel to your makeup. Bold lip colors. Dark reds, plums, and berry shades are popular choices for making a statement with your lips. Subsection 2.2. Textures and finishes. Matte finishes. Fall makeup often features matte eyeshadows and lipsticks. This texture aligns with the subtle and sophisticated vibe of the season. Subtle shimmer. While the overall look is matte, a touch of shimmer on the eyelids or cheekbones can add depth and interest. Creating a fall makeup look is all about blending the right colors and mastering the application. Here are some tips. Foundation. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone perfectly. Fall is about looking natural and sophisticated. Eyes. Opt for matte eyeshadows and earthy tones. Blend well for a seamless look. A thin line of eyeliner can define your eyes subtly. Cheeks. Use a blush in a muted pink or peach shade to add a hint of color without overpowering the look. Lips. Choose a lipstick in a bold fall color. Make sure to line your lips first for precision. Embracing the fall makeup look is a wonderful way to celebrate the beauty of the season and add some autumnal flair to your style. Remember, makeup is an art and a form of self-expression. Have fun experimenting with different shades and textures, and most importantly, wear your fall makeup look with confidence. We hope this guide helps you understand and master this seasonal trend. Stay fabulous, and see you in our next video.